A worker opens an electrical panel to just check something. One loose connection, one arc, and in an instant there's a blinding flash,
Intense heat.
and a life-changing injury. Electrical hazards don't offer second chances. In this video, we will show you how our Applying Electrical Standards US online course helps you work safer, stay compliant, and protect people and property in just 30 minutes. Here's what the course covers. Electricity is one of the most dangerous workplace hazards. When standards aren't followed, the result can be shock, arc flash, electrocution, fires, explosions, and major fines. This course is designed to help you apply electrical standards in real situations, not just memorize citations. We start with what's at stake: severe worker injuries and costly consequences for employers, including OSHA penalties, property damage, and business interruption. Next, you'll learn key OSHA requirements from 29 CFR 1910 and 29 CFR 1926 when equipment must be de-energized, the rare cases where energized work is permitted, and why permits, documented plans, and risk assessments are mandatory. The course also clarifies the difference between qualified and unqualified workers, the training each needs, and how to assign tasks safely. You'll be introduced to important consensus standards like NFPA 70, NFPA 70E, and the NESC, which guide PPE selection, approach boundaries, equipment maintenance, and arc flash assessments. Finally, we cover training requirements, maintenance basics, and how to use NFPA 70E tables to choose the correct protection. By the end, you'll know exactly how to apply electrical standards confidently and safely on the job. Click the link in description to enroll in Applying Electrical Standards, US, by OSHA Outreach Courses.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.